Hey Sierra, this is Dream Factory News. We're your hosts, Zach and Alan.
And Camry Center.
This week we'll be talking about PBIS Movie Day, Black History Month dress-up days, Edible Book Fair, FFA Week, Valentine's Day, and more.
Last week's answer to the riddle was Chicago. This week's riddle is, what do you get when you cross a snowman and a vampire?
Teachers, make sure you're sending your students' answers to Miss Kelly for a chance to win. Now please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now for a moment of silence.
Let's not forget Sierra Grade Junior High School's mission. Sierra Grade Junior High School's mission is to provide a community support to all students, to ensure a safe learning environment, and to equip all students with strategies for a successful transition beyond the junior high level.
Now on to this week's featured expectation.
I ain't give my phone nothing. You got me messed up. Man. Well, dude, fill out the right cast, man. Always gonna be like that. I swear to God, this class sucks. Like, this class sucks. Like, this teacher's always on me.
Jacob, when I ask for your phone, you give it to me.
I ain't giving you my phone.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. Why? Take my phone, whatever.
Jacob, say that's home.
Shorty.
It's home.
You want it?
Alright, I'm not playing with you.
Ah! No. Alright, that's funny. Here, take my phone. Take my phone. Take my phone.
PBIS Movie Day is this Friday. In order to go, you must have 0 discipline referrals and no failing classes from January until now. Students who meet these criteria, listen up. During your movie time, you will be rewarded with a snack and a drink. You may also purchase additional snacks only available to you.
We are having some events and dress-up days for Black History Month. February 15th, dress up to support your favorite history Black college or university, or wear African attire. February 22nd, wear your favorite African American inspired sneaker or African attire.
To celebrate Black History Month, teachers may decorate their doors with the help of their students. Judging will be on February 24th.
Also, the Edible Book Fair will have a category that spotlights Black History Month. Students and staff may use a book written by an African American, a book about African American history, or a book with a main character who is African American.
Speaking of the Edible Book Fair, watch this commercial.
Are you good with a cake design or clever with puns? Do you like to play with your food? Sierra Grade's 7th Annual Edible Book Fair will be held on February 23rd. The contest is open to any student or staff who would like to stop by the Media Center to sign up. Impress us with your creativity and have a chance to win a trophy, ribbons, Chick-fil-A gift cards, and more. Students will learn more this week in your ELA classes. Be sure to sign up by February 17th.
Make sure you sign up for the Edible Book Fair by this Friday.
This week is National FFA Week. Let's hear from the officers. Levi Hunter, 9th grade president.
Alan Howell, 9th grade vice president.
Zachary Allen, 9th grade secretary. Roxanne Herndon, 9th grade treasurer. Laura Gonzalez, 9th grade reporter. Emily Thompson, 9th grade sentinel.
Landon Morris, 9th grade parliamentarian. Molly Dale, 8th grade president.
Reese White, 8th grade vice president.
Emily Martin, 8th grade secretary. Reese Webb, 8th grade treasurer. Sally Clark, 8th grade reporter.
Jackson Edwards, 8th grade sentinel. Birdie Bennett, 8th grade Catholic. Landon Connor, 8th grade historian.
Wyatt Thompson, 8th grade social chairman.
FFA week is this week, February 13th through the 17th, and we have a whole lot planned. We have dress-up days for FFA members only. Today is America Monday. Tomorrow is Country vs. Country Club. Wednesday is Thank a Farmer. Dress up as a farmer as we thank all those farmers around us. Thursday is Ag Teacher Day. Dress up as your ag teacher. And Friday is FFA Day. Wear blue and gold. February 15th, which is this Wednesday, is our member luncheon and after-school social for paid members only.
State wildlife was this past weekend, and the competing team was Lawson Roberts, Levi Hunter, Kason Braswell, and Shine Sandlin. We also had livestock judging a few weeks ago, and the 9th grade team got first and is going to compete at the state competition. The 8th grade team placed 9th. Levi Hunter received first place at the Junior Prepared Public Speaking Contest.
Some events and CDEs coming up include Forestry Foreman, the State Pig Show, and the County Pig Show. If you have any questions, want to join FFA, and you're in ag classes, talk to either Mr. Hunter or Miss Bridges.
Wednesday is School Bus Driver Appreciation Day, so make sure to thank your bus driver sometime this week.
Friday is National Random Acts of Kindness Day. We challenge you to do a random act of kindness for one person this week. Email your act of kindness to Miss Kelly to be featured on next week's news.
President's Day is a federal holiday that celebrates the United States' previous and current presidents. The holiday was created so that we can remember our history and how the past has contributed to the country we live in today. President's Day holiday is next Monday, February 20th. So remember, don't show up to school that day.
Now for excitement on Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day! You know, you make movies. Yes, oh, thank you.
Happy Valentine's Day, cousin.
Thank you.
Happy Valentine's Day!
2, 3.
Alright, my name is Miss Richardson, and my Valentine is Coach Richardson.
My name is Coach Richardson, and my Valentine is Miss Richardson.
2, 1.
Happy Valentine's Day!
This week's clubs are FCA, FBLA, 4-H, Skills USA, LOT, Science, Math, Leo, and Photography Club.
Don't forget to dress up for Black History Month days. Show some appreciation to your bus driver and do a random act of kindness for someone. Just a reminder, do not show up for school next Monday. It is President's Day holiday and there is no school.
We'll see you next week, Sierra Gray. This is the Dream Factory News, signing off.